Have you ever seen one of these massage guns and wondered, is it safe to use after your knee replacement? We're gonna go over that in today's video, along with how to use the massage gun and when to use the massage gun. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Samantha Smith. I am a physical therapist that specializes in knee replacements. All my social media is dedicated to knee replacement, recovery, and tips. My YouTube here, please subscribe. My Instagram, my TikTok, I have a free Facebook support group. Just go to Facebook and search Succeed with Your New Knee. I also have a website where I teach exercise classes. I teach educational courses to help you prepare for your surgery or to help better your recovery. So any questions you have, please go to succeedcourses.com. I have a ton of information on there for you guys. So now let's get into the topic of today's video, how to use a massage gun, when to use it, and even where to use it after your knee replacement surgery. First and foremost, if you are going to use a massage gun, you definitely need to talk to your surgeon beforehand to make sure it is safe. There is a couple contraindications to using a massage gun, so always check with your healthcare provider before using a massage gun. So my favorite massage gun is this one right here by Bob and Brad. You can get it on Amazon. It is a massage gun that has a heating and a cooling head to it. So if you open the box here, there is a couple different heads inside, which they give you instructions on when to use certain heads and which body parts you can use them on. So I want to mention that it has this cooling and heating head. So it's pretty cool. All you do is press the button and it turns on and it makes this part right here, this little plate, either cold or hot. So you can use that to help with your recovery. If you're working on swelling control, I'd recommend the cold one. If you're working on relaxing muscles, you would use the heating one. Just starting out, I recommend using this one. So this one has a little give to it. It's gonna be a little less intense than some of the other ones. So there's this one here, it looks like a little ball. They have this one, which looks like a kind of a trigger point type of massage gun. This one feels really good on your upper shoulders. That's where I've been using it. And then they have this one here, which kind of goes along your spine, various other places. But I always recommend starting out using a lower intensity type of head. So all you do is you grab your device. You can charge this. It has a charging port at the bottom of the device. All you do is you stick the head in and you give it a good push and it'll slide right in. Then there's a button on the back. You just hold it down and it starts right away. So you can see it is massaging there. You can hear it. But this is exactly how it works. It's super easy to turn on and off. To turn it off, you just hold the button down and it goes to 0. You can also press this button to intensify the kind of percussion or the vibration. I usually stick at level 1. I would definitely recommend level 1 if you are just starting out with the massage gun. You don't want to start on level 5. If you're just starting out, it's a little bit too intense. So that's how you use this thing or how you turn it on. So let's go over where to use it and when to use it. So after a knee replacement, you're going to have a lot of soreness on your quad muscle in particular. A lot of people do have soreness on the calf and the back of the knee, the hamstring area. Usually massage guns are only used on muscles. It does not feel good to put massage guns right on your bone or on the shin bone down here. You also have the metal implant in here, so it's not going to feel good to put the massage gun right on the metal implant. Again, this is where talking to your surgeon beforehand comes into play. You know, are they recommending these things? Do they see any harm to them? You definitely want to check with your surgeon before you pick this thing up and you use it on yourself. So with the massage gun, you will just put it on any sore spots and you can kind of roll over each spot and kind of go back and forth. Usually that quad is nice and sore after your surgery, and you want to start out just nice and easy with this thing. So I'm going to turn it on here and you see it moving right away. So all you do is just a very gentle glide over the muscle. Once you get used to this, then you can start to put some actual pressure into the muscle and then glide it side to side just like this. You can work all the areas. You can get into the IT band. That is a really common area that is sore after your knee replacement. You can get into the back on the hamstring back here. You can kind of work this this area back here, you know, into the glute, up into that IT band. We really can work so many different areas with the massage gun. You can get into the calf muscle as well. The calf is a very sensitive area, so you want to start out nice and slow and controlled. But all you do is you just glide the head of the massage gun just right up and down the muscles, and you kind of stay in a spot that's sore. Usually people have soreness right in the quads. You want to start kind of going over this way, and you know, usually massaging for 5 to 10 minutes is all you need. And you want to give yourself a little bit of a break, but this is a great way to reduce pain and just kind of help you wean off of some pain medication to improve some of the bending of your knee if you're struggling with so much tightness in your quad muscle. This is a great way to loosen up the quad. So yeah, that's exactly how you use the massage gun. It's pretty self-explanatory. Once you turn it on, you just glide it over the sore areas. Once you get used to this head, which is the most, you know, low intensity head that we have here, then you can pop this thing off and choose a different one. So I'd recommend this one next. This is just the circle ball one. And you'll just push it right on, and then same exact thing, just hold down the button and you do the same exact thing. So this one's more intense. I can feel it right away. It glides pretty easily side to side. You can also use the side of the ball to go back and forth. That is a little bit less intense if you want to try that. But yeah, we just kind of go side to side, pretty easy. And then my next favorite one is this one here. This is kind of like the trigger point one. Those really sore areas of the quad. This one is also really good for the back and the upper traps. You can do it on yourself and it feels really good. So I love massage guns, not only for, you know, post knee replacement, but for anybody who has soreness, muscle tightness. If you're interested in purchasing this massage gun, post a link below this video of this exact product. You can just click the link, might be a little bit easier. But again, please check out my website, succeedcourses.com, for more knee replacement recovery tips and tricks. You can schedule a phone consultation with me. You can join my exercise classes or my educational courses to help you get prepared for your knee replacement or make your recovery a little bit easier. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.